Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all. So I think we have discussed about the some details of the tools of data science tools in the last session. So from this session, we will be starting the new subject for the data science course. So let us start with the Python. So we will discuss what we will cover during this course and what we will be doing during this course. So in this Python course, we'll be learning some important topics which are required for data science. And also, these concepts are very important. Now now I will explain each and everything what we will discuss in further classes. So coming to the Python class, we'll discuss some of the topics which are important in data science. So first topic is Introduction to Python for Data Science. So in the first session, we will be discussing about the introduction to Python for data science. In that session, we will cover overview of Python. It means it's Python more means what are the concepts that we are covering in introduction to Python and applications in data science. It means what are the applications that are useful in data science and what applications are they are required for in data science. Next one, installation of Python. So how to install Python and how to do programming in Python and where do we need to code. Those type of things will be discussed. Next one, writing and running Python scripts. So after that, we will discuss how to write the code and how to run the code in the programming in the Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. Like that, we will discuss about the how to write or run the Python program in some certain applications. Next one, basic syntax, variables, and data types. So, I think if you are a beginner or an expert or any other professional, we need to know some basic syntax. Right now, I will explain syntax of the programming. It means how to build the program, how to write the logic. Those type of things will be covered in the syntax. So if you want to become a good programmer in Python programming, you need to know basic syntax because if you are not knowing any syntax, how can you write the program? If you write the program without knowing any syntax, you will get an error. So in order to avoid an error, you need to know the basic syntax of the Python program. Next one, variables. So we will see the variables in Python and also what are the data types that are available in Python. We will discuss in introduction to Python session. So these type of things will be covered in introduction to Python section. Next one, Python basics. So there are some Python basics which are required for the Python programmers. So what are the basics that we require? So first one, operators and expressions. So you need to know operators and expressions. Next one, conditional statements. So conditional statements are also very important while solving some real-time application problems. Like what are the conditional statements that are available, how to use, when to use, at what situation, which conditional statements we need to use. Those type of things will be discussed in the further class. Next one, loops. There are some loops available in Python. So those type of loops will be useful and how to use these type of loops for reducing the code and also how it is beneficial for the implementing less code in less amount of time like that. So there are some loops available like for loop, while loop. So these type of things will be discussed in this Python basics section. Next one, functions and modular programming. So we can discuss functions and modular programming topic in this Python basics session. Next one, list comprehension and lambda function. So we will discuss what is list, what are its operations, and what are how to implement the list, and how to apply operations on the list, and also we can see list comprehension, how to apply operations on list comprehension. We will see those type of details, and also we will see lambda functions, which are very important for Python programmers. These these are the topics that we will cover in Python basics session. Next one, data structures and manipulation. It means there are data structures which are available Python, and also we'll apply how to manipulate the data in data structures and how to apply operations. Those type of things will be seen in data structures and manipulation. It means there are some data structures available in Python like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. These are the data structures that are available in Python. So in this, we will see how to apply operations on the data structures and how to we do manipulate on these data types, data structures, and how these are helpful in real-time application. We can see those type of things in this later classes. Next one, NumPy for numerical computing. So NumPy is also very important in Python and also in data science also, because for data manipulation and data analysis, NumPy is very important. So why is NumPy is important, and what are the operations that are available in NumPy, and how to implement the NumPy operations and the applications of the NumPy will be seen in future. Next one, arrays. We'll see arrays concept in Python, and also I think you know what is array and how to implement the array in C programming. So let us discuss this array in Python, and also we will see array operations and how do we initialize the array and how to use the arrays for data science. And also these arrays operations are very important. We will see what are the operations that are available in and how to implement it. We will see those type of things. Next one, vectorized operations. Next, indexing and slicing. So how to apply indexing and how to apply slicing in arrays. We'll discuss those type of things. Next, pandas for data manipulation. This is also very important. Why pandas? Why pandas is important, and why pandas is useful for data manipulation, and how to implement the pandas for any projects, and how to implement the pandas in Python. We'll see in the next further classes. Next one, data frames. So in pandas also we'll see data frame, how to implement the data frame and what is data frame. We can see and we can understand those type of things. And also series, what is series and how to apply the series operation on data types. We will see. Next, reading or writing files. It means how to read the CSV files or how to write the files like CSV, Excel, JSON, like that. We will see those type of things in pandas. Next one, data cleaning and handling missing values. So how to do data cleaning and how to handle the missing values in the data set, we'll see by using this pandas. So by using these pandas, we can do these type of operations, and we'll be discussing those type of things in further. Next one, data visualization. So we'll discuss data visualization. What is data visualization? Why is data visualization is important for data science, and how to implement the data visualization in data science, and what are the applications of the data visualization, and also why data visualization is very important in data science, and also applications of the data visualization will be discussed in this session. And also what are the libraries that we use for data visualization, and its implementation in data visualization will be discussed. Matplot and the things what things that we discuss in data visualization are Matplotlib for basic plotting. It means we'll be using Matplotlib for how to implement the plot and how to plot the graphs, and how to plot the bars. Those type of things will be discussed. Next one, Seaborn for statistical visualization. So we'll be using Seaborn tools for implementing or for visualization of statistical analysis, like mean, median, mode, like that. Next one, Plotly for interactive visualizations. So we'll discuss Plotly for how to do interactive visualizations like that. So these type of things will be discussed. Next one, exploratory data analysis. So during we'll discuss what is EDA and what situations we will use EDA and what are the applications of EDA will be discussed in this session. So things that we discuss during this EDA first one, descriptive statistics. So we will discuss descriptive statistics. What are descriptive statistics and how to implement it and how to run operations on that. It means some of the descriptive statistics like mean, median, mode, standard deviation. We'll be using this type of statistics in order to implement exploratory data analysis. So we'll be discussing this descriptive statistics in EDA concept. So we'll we will learn how to implement it and how to apply these operations on the data and how to execute it. Those type of things will be learned in EDA. Next one, data correlation and relationships. So how to find the data correlation and how to find the relationship between the data. These type of things will be learned in this session. Next one, handling categorical and numerical data. So in this session, we will learn how to handle categorical and numerical data. So there are some procedures and some processes to handle categorical and numerical data. So those type of things will be seen in this session. So outlier detection and handling. So we will know how to detect outliers that are present in the data and how to handle these outliers in the data will be seen in the EDA session. So guys, these are the things that we'll be learning in Python course. So after learning this course, definitely you can able to implement any code in data science or any project, any ML projects or data science projects. First of all, you need to focus on such a kind of problems, and also you need to focus on those type of concepts in Python. So these will be the things that we'll be discussing in further classes. So this is the overview of the Python for data science students. So remember these topics. We will be discussing each and everything in different sessions. So for first session, we will learn introduction to overview of Python and its applications like that. So these are the overview of Python course. So please go through that and please have a look onto that. And this is the overall course of the course details of the Python. So please go through this video and check it. So we'll be coming into the next session with new concepts and we will discuss its details and its useful applications, and also we will learn new concepts in the next session. So this is this is the session for today. So we'll be discussing next class. So I think everyone understood my points and everyone have got my course details, and also everyone. So this is the first session and introduction session for the overview of the Python guide. So I think everyone got the point and everyone understood my point. So so please have a look onto this. Bye guys.